If I told you that the ultimate truth of the universe cannot be spoken, would you believe it? 25 centuries ago, the Chinese sage Lao Tzu opened the Tao Te Ching with exactly this paradox. The Tao that can be told is not the eternal Tao. The name that can be named is not the eternal name. He is not being difficult. He is warning us that words are only fingers pointing at the moon, never the moon itself. A menu is not the meal. A map is not the territory. And the word water will never quench your thirst. The living flow of reality always slips past the net of language. So how do we approach what cannot be named? Lao Tzu gives us two keys. Wu, the formless, and Yu, the formed. Nameless, he says, is the origin of heaven and earth. Named is the mother of the 10,000 things. Before the universe bursts into being, there is the pregnant emptiness of the singularity, infinite possibility without shape, that is Wu. Then stars, atoms, and blossoms appear, that is Yu. Think of a cup. The clay gives it form, but the hollow inside is what lets it hold anything. Life moves in the dance between emptiness and shape. Next, Lao Tzu offers two ways of seeing. Without desire, he writes, one sees the mystery. With desire, one sees the boundaries. These are not commands to kill your wants, but two lenses. In the desireless mode, you set aside judgment and simply be, touching the hidden wonder behind things, like inspiration rising in silence. In the purposeful mode, you study edges, laws, and steps, like an engineer or scientist asking how something works. One sees the whole forest, the other sees each tree. A full life needs both the mystic stillness and the Creator's fire. Finally, Lao Tzu calls their shared source Xuan, the dark and fathomless. Mysterious beyond mysterious, he says, this is the gateway to all marvels. Xuan is not spooky. It is the fertile darkness before every invention, every poem, every newborn idea. The gateway is not a place but a state of mind, the willingness to enter the unknown and trust it as the mother of all possibilities. So when life feels tight and you try to force control, pause first. For 5 minutes, drop the need to fix anything and simply notice what is happening in your body and mind. There you touch the mystery. Then open your eyes, choose one clear intention, and look at the steps and boundaries that will carry it into form. Learn to empty your cup and let it fill again. Lao Tzu's first chapter is the source code of the universe, and it lives not in some distant temple but in your next breath. Stand at the gateway, and everything begins.